There's a push that's coming from a new era, a second era of the digital age. We've been through a first era of the digital age. You remember this: mainframes, mini computers, PCs, the internet, the web, the mobile web, social media, the cloud, big data. And now technology is infusing itself into everything. We have a second era. We have technologies that learn to do things that they weren't programmed to do. I found myself coming to a surprising conclusion about the second era, that the most important technology was not AI or autonomous vehicles or drones or robots. It was the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies called blockchain. Now let me explain that. You all use the internet. For 40 years we've had the internet. But it's an internet of information. And if I send you some information, a photograph, a PDF of this deck, I'm actually not sending you the information, I'm sending you a copy. And that works great for information. But when it comes to things that really matter to the economy in Spain and Portugal and Europe, sending a copy is not a good idea. Cryptographers have called this the double spend problem for decades. So how do we manage this problem in our economy? Well, through intermediaries, banks, stock exchanges, credit card companies, escrow agents, sometimes governments, social media companies. They perform all of the business and transaction logic for every type of commerce. They identify who you are. They identify the asset. That's a euro, that's a stock, that's a vote. They clear and settle transactions, and they keep records. And overall, they've done a pretty good job. But there are growing problems. They're all being hacked because they're based on central server technology. They exclude 1 billion people from the global economy. They take too long to do things. The biggest problem is that they're capturing our data. What if there was not just an internet of information? What if there were an internet of value? Some kind of vast global distributed ledger, kind of like a global spreadsheet, where anything of value could be managed, stored, transacted, communicated in a secure and private way. Bitcoin started this. Bitcoin was the first app of millions of apps, was the first app of the Internet of Value.